welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Brooke, and today we are kicking off a weekend in life. So right now it is Friday morning, wearing some comfy clothes because I actually have quite a bit to do before I leave for work today. I have a lot of computer work, things I need to submit, and then I also need to collate a bunch of packets to prepare for next week. Usually I prep like a couple weeks worth of like packets at a time. And I unfortunately ran out midweek, so I want to set myself up for success next week, so I need to take care of that. But don't worry, we are kicking off this video for much more exciting reasons than just a work update. This is going to be a really fun and event-heavy vlog. So tonight we start preparations for my friend Kelsey's engagement party, which is tomorrow morning. Unfortunately, we do not get access to the venue until 1 hour beforehand. So we are trying to prep as much as we can tonight and just have everything like ready to go. So with that 1 hour, we can make the most of it and just be really productive. And then first thing tomorrow morning, we are heading over there, staging things outside so that when the doors unlock, we can literally just like carry the tables in. So it is going to be hectic, but I'm so excited. The different decor and things that we're doing for it, I think are going to be absolutely incredible. So I can't wait to bring you guys along and show you what that looks like. And then on Sunday, we are hosting Father's Day here. So we're doing a barbecue and it's going to be so much fun. So we have quite a bit going on in this vlog. So be sure to watch to the end because it is just gonna be nonstop until the end. So thank you guys so much for joining. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe below, give me a big thumbs up, and let's get into it. Hello, so it's a couple hours later. It's 10:30 a.m. But guess what? I am making Chinese chicken salad for lunch or brunch or whatever it is that you wanna call this because I am lawless. I like work off of airport laws in the sense that like, you can have spaghetti at 6 a.m. You can have a salad first thing in the morning. Like, I don't care. I think it's appropriate to eat whatever you want, whenever you want, and I simply don't care. So, am I eating salad for breakfast? Yes, I am. And I'm very excited about it. I'm a lawless woman, you can't hold me down. So anyways, this is one of my favorite salads from Costco, and very enthusiastic about it. So workday is going pretty smooth so far. However, I'm realizing I had so much more to do than I thought. I didn't realize I had a bunch of like trainings and stuff that were coming up due pretty soon that I was unaware of. So now I'm taking care of all that. Overall though, very productive morning. Happy about it. Doing some laundry while I work. So, you know, a good multitasking really gets me going. Happy about that. I'm making this salad, honestly, much bigger than it needs to be because I plan to work on this for the next couple hours, honestly. I love a good, slow, work on it as you go type of thing. So, here's what we have, a nice, big, filling salad, and I always make it with the spring mix versus just like regular lettuce, and yeah, this is what it looks like. And it's amazing and delicious, and I'm gonna get started. Hey guys, it is hours later, just finished work, and I'm about to head out the door. I was able to fit 3 tables, 12 chairs, all of the flowers, all the tablecloths, utensils, and all of the decor in my car. I was not able to fit all of like the servingware, so I have to bring all of this servingware tomorrow morning, but that's okay because I also have to bring 1 more table and 8 more chairs tomorrow also. So I'm gonna bring that. Yeah, we are ready to go. I had a work thing that unfortunately lasted an extra like 20 minutes. So I am running like 15 minutes late. So I really need to go, but I wanted to check in with you guys before I did. So that's the latest and greatest. Headed over to Kelsey's sister house to do some of like that prep that I was telling you guys about, and I'll see you there. I had to do a quick in the car chronicles because you guys, this is crazy. Like literally, it's completely full. Like everything under here too, like below the seat, just completely full. This is wild. So heading over there now. Turning out bigger than anticipated.
It's huge, dude. I thought it was gonna be like a smaller
like half the size?
Yeah, dude, it's huge.
Yeah, I definitely should have
read
the size a little better. Okay, it's filled. I feel like something was done wrong because look, this doesn't sit straight. This is like so freaking tall. Like,
It could also be way down a little more when we put stuff on the bottom, hopefully.
it's freaking huge, guys. It's huge. Balloon prep is happening. It is underway, and we are gonna have to figure out how to fit this ginormous thing out the door and how to get balloons on it. We literally thought it was like 6-7 feet. Yeah, this is 8 feet. This is elaborate. So we're gonna have to figure that out, you know, but that's phase 2, okay? Phase 1, we built it. Oh, am I connecting the pores?
Yes.
Oh.
Or like at least building the actual arch. I don't know if you wanted to use this.
Yeah, I think we're gonna need to use everything that we can.
So for the pulley thing, you just pull these through the holes. So then maybe don't put them in all fours. So the fours, when I did fours, I was usually tying those with other balloons. Does that make sense?
Okay, yeah. Yeah, you didn't have this.
Yeah.
Do you think we should attach this to that? Or do you think we should just attach all the balloons to this and then figure out the attachment later?
That second option.
So, you know, okay. Remember.
They smell like weed.
Latex does smell like weed.
I think we have that many balloons.
This is the exact package we bought.
I know, it says that. I just don't think it is that. Like for Nick's stuff, I bought him 2 of each thing to make what the photo shows.
Have bagged up all the extra balloons, and we have all the rest of the decor in there, and we've started to see what the balloon arch will look like, but things are looking promising. Kind of like reverse arch. We can't attach it yet because we still have to figure out how to get this out the door, but things are going great. Good morning, guys. It's Saturday morning. It's 8 o'clock. I just finished getting ready. I don't need to leave for another 30 minutes, but I got up with plenty of time. I just really didn't want to be stressed this morning. So now we are here ready and early. So I think I'm gonna call the other 4 girls who are helping me set up, and I think I'm gonna get their donut orders and bring us all a little, you know, breakfast snack, and it's gonna be great. Yesterday we did the balloon arch as you saw, and then we prepped all the other balloons that we're gonna be kind of adding into it last minute. And then we wiped down all the chairs, we strung together the different like garland things, and we're like ready to go. Her sister went and picked up all the different like prints, we put them in picture frames, and yeah, like we are pretty much ready. Last night when I came home, I loaded in my car the last table, the other chairs that we needed, and the different like serving platters and stuff. So I just need to basically hop in my car and go. We are all gonna show up in kind of like sweats or workout clothes, and we're gonna change into our outfits like right before the event. So I'm just doing like hair and makeup right now. But you guys, I feel like everything is coming together so well. I'm so excited, and I just can't believe the day is here. And first stop. Donuts have been collected and are among all the other items that I'm bringing. A little chaotic, but they smell amazing. They are still like super hot. Second load is all ready to go. The rest of the tables and chairs and other stuff is already there. Almost done. Here we are, day of. The candelabras are looking absolutely incredible. And then we have all of the balloons and other decor over here. All of the chairs, the different pictures, tables, the different serving stuff, tablecloths, utensils, cups, champagne, and then of course the flowers you guys saw yesterday. And you guys, everything is coming together. The doors were supposed to be unlocked like 10 minutes ago, so hopefully that will be done soon. So her sister that lives here just went to go call the maintenance guy to see if he can come open it up. But oh my gosh, we are so excited. I feel like everything is coming together and at a good time. The event still doesn't start for another hour, and the only thing we have left is to now bring over that giant circle and all of like the balloons for it. So all in all, things are going well. Eee! All right, things are coming together. 30 minutes to go. So we have all the beautiful flowers. We put the plates and the she said yes napkins. The candelabras are absolutely beautiful. And the table runners, we have the tablecloths and table runners like spilling off the side of the tables. So I think this is turning out beautiful. So next up, we have to figure this out. Okay, this turned out so cute. I'm so proud of this. Okay, you guys, I am ready to go. I just changed and the bride-to-be will be here very, very soon. Just, you know, in the bathroom trying to freshen up a bit because we are sweaty. But guests are arriving. We got everything done literally just in time. The bride-to-be arrived a little early, so we sent her somewhere else because she's not allowed to come yet. So now the party's about to begin and I'm so excited. Literally everything came together so beautifully, and it was kind of a little touch and go for a minute, but it came out perfect. So I'm so excited. Hey guys, so we are back home. Darren came and helped me bring back everything because it took me 2 trips to get everything there, so I needed a second car to get everything back. Everything is unloaded, cleaned, put away, and officially reset. He cleaned the house while I was gone, so everything is clean and ready for my parents. So we have like 3.5 hours of downtime before we have to go to the airport, pick them up, and then get home, hopefully get a little bit of sleep before we have to wake up and prep the house for Father's Day because we are hosting tomorrow here. So it is just back-to-back events, and I'm gonna figure out something to eat because I am starving, and yeah, just enjoy the little bit of peace I have before the chaos continues. My parents are home! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, I see them! There they are! Good morning, everyone. Happy Sunday. So it's the next morning, got ready, and we've just been kind of cleaning the house a bit. My parents have gone grocery shopping multiple times today, getting everything ready. So people are coming in, I think like 4 or 5 hours. So we still have plenty of time, very casual hosting day, which is my favorite. So just getting things going. I did blow up a bunch of inflatables. So we have the giant flamingo, and then we have these, and then we have a few others that we've already put outside. So the pool's gonna be very welcoming and friendly with all the different flotation devices. And I think it's gonna be a great time. So we're going to be barbecuing, pool, and then we are leaving up the net for like, is it foosball? No, it's not foosball, badminton. So we're leaving that up as well so that we have like more activities for people to do if they're interested. So yeah, it's gonna be great, it's gonna be fun, and I will bring you guys along and I'll see you in a bit. Okay, so it is hours later, and for the most part we finished cleaning everything up and setting up. So people are going to be here in about 40 minutes, so we are a little bit down to the wire, but everything is going smooth and we're gonna be ready on time. So let me show you the setup. So first off, we ended up putting the rug, if you guys remember, is one of the many rugs that used to be here before we got an official rug. So now we just have it right here. And all of those flowers from, remember the engagement party yesterday? We have repurposed them and we've put them throughout, and so it looks super beautiful. The cooler is ultimately going to be going here next to between the pizza oven and the outdoor kitchen. It's just in the sun right now, and so we figured we'll preserve the ice. So we have that just hanging out here. So the kitchen's all ready. We're going to be grilling some burgers out here. So we've blown up some inflatables. We've set up a little like dining space out here, and we decided why not? So we just used the table runner from the event yesterday, because why not elevate it? So we have it under the shade. It's gonna be beautiful. As you can see, the weather is absolutely fantastic. It is very hot, but it's a perfect day for like a pool. So we are all ready to go. We are ready for all of the guests to arrive and to have a fantastic Father's Day with all of our family. And I'll see you guys when everyone gets here. Hey guys, good morning, happy Monday. So popping in before I head out for work because I wanted to officially end the video. So I hope you guys enjoyed coming along on this past weekend, the engagement party, Father's Day, just all of the events, because I had a fantastic time and I love bringing you guys along. So if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, comment below, or subscribe. And if you aren't already, be sure to head over to my channel and catch up on all of the new content, because I am still uploading twice a week. So double the content, and hopefully that helps get you guys through the week. So thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.